Ladies and gentlemen, this is Leafy and her siblings cut from her jade mother plant. 6 months ago, she and her siblings were just leaves, just green pancakes with no purpose. But now, Leafy and her siblings have many leaves, stems, and roots. So you want to know how to grow a jade plant from a leaf? First of all, congrats. Welcome to the emotional roller coaster of growing a new plant from a leaf. I rescued some leaves from my dad's variegated jade plant. Make sure it's healthy, not wrinkly, not suspicious, just nice, plump, with good green areas. White unpigmented leaves can still grow, but a lot harder. Now here's the part where most people mess up. You don't want to just stick it in dirt and hope for the best. This isn't Tinder. You need to let the leaf dry for a few days so it can callus over. It's been one day, but I've aged 12 years. This is what parenting must feel like. Leafy and her siblings are just leaves. They don't have any stems or roots, so they need a lot of bright, indirect sunlight. Placing it in an area where it receives direct sunlight can actually scorch the leaves. Then it's the waiting game. Lightly water when the soil dries before the next light watering. Now, weeks can pass, months can pass. I myself began to question everything. Is it growing? Is that a little root or just some lint? Is this plant gaslighting me? Just remember persistence. Push through and remember you're doing well. At 1 month, there wasn't much. I don't think I saw a little root. I think it just looked exactly the same. But I persisted. I continued. I still only watered the soil when it was completely dry and only lightly as well. And then at 3 months, a few of Leafy's siblings unfortunately passed away. But lucky Leafy has many siblings. I saw a miracle. Tiny roots and tiny babies started to sprout. I screamed, "That's roots and new leaves, baby, let's go." 6 month update. Behold, there are leaves, little stems, little roots. Leafy and her siblings are officially jade toddlers. Some have developed faster than others. Some have stayed variegated, and some have turned back to green, all still cute and beautiful. Now that they are toddlers, time to transfer them into their own small individual pots. They're still jade toddlers, which means we still need to wipe their bottoms. So we need to make sure that the soil is still a well-drained soil into a pot that has drainage holes, and now we can water the soil thoroughly before letting it completely dry. So that's how you can grow a jade plant from a single leaf in just 6 short months. That's right, plant parenthood isn't for the weak. If Leafy and her siblings can do it, you can too. Smash that like button if you love slow, passive plant progress. Subscribe for more plant chaos. Watch this video here if you want to know how to prune a jade plant.